Me, manners. Don't forget.
Little Mimi visited Mrs. Lily, her kind neighbor. "Hello, Mimi." Mrs. Lily smiled warmly. Mimi's eyes sparkled. She saw so many colorful toys, blocks, cars, and a big dollhouse. "Can I play?" Mimi asked, very excited. Mimi played happily with all the toys. She built a tall block tower. She raced all the cars across the rug. Soon, toys were everywhere. Mimi had so much fun, she didn't notice the big mess she made. "Mimi, it's almost time to go home," Mrs. Lily said softly. "Let's put the toys away first." Mimi looked at the scattered toys on the floor. "But there are so many," she mumbled, her smile fading a little. "We can make it a fun game doing it together." Mrs. Lily smiled. Blocks in the red basket. Zoomed the cars into the blue box. Mimi giggled. She started to help, putting toys where Mrs. Lily showed her. Soon, all the toys were neatly put away. The room looked tidy and calm again. "You are such a good helper, Mimi," Mrs. Lily said, giving her a big hug. Mimi felt happy and proud inside.